So what we're going to do is to simplify. This is simplifying rational expressions. How will we simplify the rational expressions if the given is 18m cubed minus 3m over -1 plus 6m. Okay? First one, we need to compose the following. We need to interchange this one. So, magiging 18m cubed minus 3m over 6m minus 1. Okay? So, I taught you a while ago about paano natin siya isi-simplify. Unahin muna natin si 18. Okay? Si 18, si 3, at saka si 6. Pero dito muna tayo mag-focus. Itong 18m cubed na to, minus 3, ito muna yung gagawin natin. So, ano yung process na gagawin natin? Do you still remember the common monomial factor? The process that we are going to do here is the common monomial factor. So, ano ang common ni 18 at saka ni 3? divided by 3. Anong common ni 18 at saka 3? Sabi ko kanina, yung smallest number. Ano yung smallest number? 3. Diba? Tama, kuya?
Opo, ma'am.
Ano yung smallest letter? M or M cube?
M po.
M. Sulat ko dito, M. Next one, 18m cube and 3m. Okay, balikan natin. Si 18m cube and si 3m. Okay? Again, paano yung process natin kanina? Si 18 at saka si 3. 18 divided by 3.
3.
Palitan ko yung color ha, para hindi nakakalito. Para i-simplify natin. 18m cube over 3m. When we divide 18 and 3, what's the answer?
6 po.
6. Okay. I will write here 6. I will write here and 3. Tapos naka 3. Ano smallest kay m cube at saka kay m ulit?
M po.
M times m. Ano yung isang m?
M2.
Yes, m squared. Tapos dito, 3m. Then anong gagawin tita? Remove. Ay, sorry, mali. This one and this one. Tama? So, anong natira dito? 6m squared. Diba? Next one. Tama ba yung given na nakopya ko? So, I think may mali ako. Wait. This one, this one, this one. Okay. So, this is m squared. Tapos, m squared. Tapos, sandali This is m squared. Okay? So, yan siya. Okay po? Tapos, after nun, let's try negative 3m and 3m. Okay? Negative 3m and 3m. Diba? Pareho siya. So, what will happen? Isang negative, isang positive, kaya negative 1 na yung answer niya. Naintindihan? Okay. So, ang natira na lang dito ay negative 1 over 6m minus 1. Simplifying rational expressions is similarly to fractions. Ibig sabihin, kapag meron parehong common na numerator at saka denominator, you need to cancel out. So ano ang common niya? This is already in parentheses, nakaloob siya, nasa group siya, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin siyang i-cancel kasi pareho siya nung nasa ilalim. So ika-cancel ko to, that's why the answer is 3m. Naintindihan, kuya? I'll give another example, don't worry. Okay? So I'll be sending the video later, okay? You'll be seeing yourself naman later. Okay? So ganito. Ito yung first question, okay? Let's do the second one. So the answer, yung isa ay 3m. How about this one? M cube plus 2m squared plus m over 3m squared plus 6m plus 3. Okay? Anong gagawin natin? We'll do first the CMF or the common monomial factor. Okay? Anong common nila? Ni m cube, ni 2m, at saka ni m. Kasi sabi ko lang, kanina ko pa siya sinasabi, si m cube, 2m squared, si m. M, correct. Okay? Again, 3 minus 1, kaya may natirang m squared. Okay? Then, sa baba, ay sa next term, plus 2. M na lang siya. Kasi 2 minus 1, di ba? Isa na lang siyang m. Tapos plus m at saka m, pareho siya. Di ba? Kapag 0 exponent is equals to 1. Okay? That's yung taas. Next one, sa baba. Anong common nilang lahat? You check first the whole number. 3, 6, and 3. Anong common? Pinakamababa.
3.
3. Okay? May letter ba to? Itong third term?
Wala po na.
Wala. So, 3 lang ilalagay natin. So, lagay na natin siya. 3m squared divided by 3. Tanggalin mo si 3 at saka si 3. Ano na lang natira?
M squared po.
Correct. Next one. Si 6 divided by 3.
1m po.
6 divided by 3.
2.
2. Positive, diba? So, plus 2. Hindi naman tayo nag-divide ng m, right? So, lalagay pa rin natin si m. Right? Then, 3 divided by 3.
1.
Plus 1. May common ba up and down? Yes, may common. Si m squared plus 2m plus 1 at saka si m squared plus 2m plus 1. Kinancel ko siya. Kaya, ano ang final answer ko? Si m over 3. May kakancel pa ba tayo? Wala na. Kaya, ito yung final answer natin. Kung mapapansin mo, we start from the common monomial factor in order to answer the rational expressions. This is simplifying. Meron ka sa numerator, meron ka pa sa denominator para i-cancel out, para makuha mo yung simplified. Okay? Well, I'm going to give another example. Let's do the number 3. Let's do more complicated, mas medyo komplikado. Number 4. m squared plus 6m plus 5 over m plus 1. Mas komplikado, tama? Okay. So, m plus 1, wala ka namang isi-simplify. M squared plus 6m plus 5, hindi mo siya pwedeng CMF. Okay? CMF is not allowed. So, anong gagawin natin? We'll do the trinomial factoring. Okay? Ano ang tinuro ko sa'yo nung nakaraan? M squared plus 6m plus 5. Okay? We'll go down. M squared plus 6m plus 5. Okay? Again, ano ang common factors ni 5? Si 5 is equals to 5 times 1. If you still remember that one. And 5 times 1. And if you add 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So, ito yung gagamitin nating factor. Isang positive 5 at saka isang positive 6. Natatandaan mo pa ba to? Kailangan kapag yung third term mo, pag minultiply mo siya, you'll get the factors of your third term. Kailangan kapag minultiply mo siya, lalabas itong third term. Kapag inad mo naman siya, lalabas yung second term mo. Paano kung nilagay ko na 5 is equals to negative 5 times negative 1? Lalabas siya as positive 5. Tama? Pero kapag nilagay ko na negative 5 plus negative 1, lalabas is negative 6. Negative 6 ba to? Hindi. Diba? Hindi siya negative 6. Kasi positive 6 siya. So, ang gagamitin natin ay 5 at saka 1. Positive 5 and positive 1. Kaya, ang factor nito is equals to m plus 5 and m plus 1. Okay? Natandaan na? Then, sa ibaba, kopyahin natin m plus 1. Okay? May common ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Ano i-cancel natin?
M plus 1 po.
M plus 1. So, ano na yung answer natin?
M plus 5.
So, ito na yung final answer natin. M plus 5. Okay? Okay. So, let's do another one. M squared plus 10m plus 25 over m plus 5. Okay? So, m squared plus 10m plus 25. Actually, ang clue lang dito, in order for us to cancel out, yung isa may m plus 5 sigurado dito sa upper part. Kasi ika-cancel natin yung nandito sa baba. Siguradong may m plus 5 sa taas. Okay? So, again, this number cannot process the CMF kundi trinomial factoring. Kaya m squared plus 10m plus 25. Anong common factors ni 25? Pwede tayong 25 times 1. 25 times 1 is 25. Pero pag inad mo si 25 at saka si 1, the answer is 26. Cannot be. Ano pang factors ni 25? 5, negative 5 times negative 5. Diba? Negative 5 times negative 5, the answer is positive 25. That's correct. Pero, pag inad mo si negative 5 and negative 5, the answer is negative 10. Positive 10 to. Hindi pwede. So, anong gagamitin natin? Yung isa, 5, positive 5. Yung isa, positive 5. Pareho siyang positive. When you add the positive 5 and positive 5, the answer is positive 10. When you multiply positive 5 and positive 5, you will get positive 25. Kaya ang factor nito ay m plus 5 and m plus 5. Okay? So in terms of this one, it is m plus 5, m plus 5 over m plus 5. Okay? That is m5. Kinopy ko lang siya. Kasi yun yung given. So, I cancel out yung common. So, ano ang sagot mo?
M plus 5.
M plus 5. Okay? Another example. M cubed plus 125 over m squared minus 25. Okay?
Opo.
M cubed plus 125, m squared minus 100 minus 25. So what are we going to do on this example? Okay? M cubed plus 25. What will we do? This is what you call we will factoring the binomial and trinomial. Kung natatandaan mo pa to, ito muna tayo. So this one, go down ko lang siya ha. Ito yung solution natin. M cubed plus 125. So what will we do? Again, diba? This is, diba, the 5 times 5 times 5, that is cube of, 125 is the cube of 5. So this is m. Pag nilagay natin siya as plus, plus dito, tatandaan pa siya, tapos m, isang minus dito, and then, isang plus dito. Tama? Then, this is 5. Okay? M cubed plus 125, this is m squared. Do you still remember? And 5. What would be the number here? Hmm? 5 times 5. 125, di ba? Di ba? Do you still remember your, di ba? Tinuruan kita yung 3, 9, 81. 4, 16, 64. 5, 25, 125. Dito na natin siya gagamitin. Okay? The squared and the cube root and the cube. Okay? So the answer here is m plus 5 multiplied to m squared minus 5m plus 25. Okay? Then, I'm going to write here the m plus 5 over m squared minus 5m 5 plus m plus 5m, then plus 25. Okay? Ito na siya. Then, the next one, m squared and 25. Okay, I'll go down here for the explanation for m squared minus 25. So if it's m squared minus 25, this is the factoring by binomial, square of binomial. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5. But this is m squared minus 25. So what are we going to do here? We are going to m squared minus 5m plus 25. Bakit ito yung answer ko? Bakit m squared minus 5m plus 25? Because this one is also equals to m minus 5 and m minus 5. Okay? Diba ito siya? Dalawang m, dalawang 25. Yun ang ibig sabihin nito. So, what are we going to do? M square, m, para ma-check mo kung tama siya ha, m minus 5 and m minus 5. M squared, the FOIL method, negative 5m, negative 5m, positive 25. Is that correct? This is not correct. So, m to the m squared minus 25, what could be the answer? Kaya dapat yung isa m plus 5, tapos isang m minus 5. So, ito siya. Plus 5 and m minus 5. Tama ba? Kakancel natin to. This is not correct. Okay? So, m squared minus 25. So, anong gagawin natin for that one? Let's remove this one. So, ang magiging answer natin dito ay m plus 5 and m minus 5 kasi perfect square to. So, this is the two terms, yung factoring natin. So, tignan natin kung tama na to m plus 5 and m minus 5 natin, ha? So, that is m plus 5, m minus 5, m squared minus 5m. Wait, burahin ko to para hindi nakaka-confuse. Ulitin natin. Okay. So, we'll do the factoring. M squared times m times m, that is m squared, negative 5m, positive 5m, negative 25. Negative and positive will give you 0. Kaya the answer is m squared minus 25. So, ito yung factor na gagamitin natin. Tama? M plus 5 and m minus 5. Correct? Tama ba, kuya? Okay. So, we cancel this one. We cancel this one. May natira pa. Sa tingin mo, meron pa ba tayong isi-simplify dito sa m squared minus 5m plus 25? Subukan natin. Diba? Subukan natin. Baka meron pa. Ano kaya yun? Pag wala na tayong ipipilit. Okay? Titingnan lang naman natin kung meron pa tayong isi-simplify sa m squared minus 5m plus 25. Okay? I will move this one para mailagay natin Okay. So, baba natin to sa m squared minus, baba natin si, ito, wait lang ha, m squared minus 5m plus 25. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ang 25, negative 5, times negative 5 will give you positive 25. Diba? Pero kapag nag-add tayo ng negative 5 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 10. So, tama ba yun? Cannot be. How about positive 5 and positive 5 will give you positive 25 over over tuloy. Not over. Tapos yung isa, 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Okay? Do you think this is the answer? No. Do we need to simplify? Kailangan pa ba nating i-simplify? Hindi na. Hindi na. So, ano na yung answer natin? The final answer is m squared minus 5m plus 25 over m minus 5. Okay?